Lilypop, and I'm here with Alex today, and we're playing Flood Escape, the normal one, and basically what's happening is that I suck, and that's all I have to say about myself, because I suck, and I lose, and I only had one win, and I have no idea what more modes means. There's training. Alex, do you want to go training?
Let's go look it up. I'm in the middle of the game.
Good point.
And I survived. Wow, I'm so lucky, God.
Wow, Alex is so lucky. Okay, I'm an easy.
Come on, God, move your butt. Exactly. You just... Yes, the water is glitching, so it can't come up. So I'm gonna win. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh my god. Hello. Okay, so basically I need to win a round or I will be known as the newbiest person in Roblox. Because I can't even win one round because I only won once and I'm probably sure it glitched because I never win. And I hate it when
I made you win because I used your account, remember?
Oh yeah. He made me win. Alex, when he used my account, he made me win, so I'm terrible. I can't even win once.
What?
So, if you see this face around, my face, run away because I'm terrible and I'll just be a bad Roblox player.
Are you in training?
No.
I'm at training. What? Go to training.
Okay.
I'm at training though.
Training, okay. Outside or inside? Alex, come outside.
Why?
Okay. Which training level are you at?
Oh,
there you are. Come in here. Oh yeah, I remember this training area.
But I don't like that one. I know another one.
Get ready. Red. Oh no, I fell. I love this training.
I know a little obby. Here's the... Hey, come with me.
Yes, did it. First time doing it.
Out.
No. I'm having fun. I'm having fun. Get ready. Yellow. Oh, I'm on yellow. Yay. Get ready. Oh no, that's sad. Where are you at? Oh, there you are.
Yay, I done
it. What's the code? What's the code?
I got that one. That one is already done.
Did it? I got 5 training points. I'm so happy. Not because I'm terrible. Anyways.
What's the code?
I don't know. How am I supposed to know that?
Got it.
I'm not Mrs. Smarty.
I'm so good in codes.
Sure you are. Sure you are. Okay, we have to play an actual game because nobody's seen us play a game yet. So let's go play an actual game.
No.
Okay, guys. So let's go play an actual game because, well, me and Alex suck. Basically, that's all we have to say because we suck. And I think we're going the wrong way, Alex. So don't follow me because I suck at directions too.
I would just don't play for skip too.
No. One round of this, and then I will meet you at my fan hangout, and yeah, that, and then I'm gonna show everybody what the fan hangout is. And
no, mine is so slow.
Sorry.
Hurry up! No, don't come there.
Oh, where are you?
You suck. You suck. You suck. Barbara.
Oops, what's this?
I'm not lying.
What's this? Oh, there we go. Okay, Alex is playing a game. Well, I'm gonna play it too. I'm gonna play the easy because I need a win. I need a win so bad. So, yeah, basically that's what's gonna happen.
Come on, guys, you can make it. No letting. No letting it. Oh, you can.
Round's gonna begin.
I wish I could go.
I'm in. And I think I might just lose because I'm super bad. Super bad. If there was a difference between bad and me, there wouldn't be a difference. Because that's how bad I am. I'm so bad that bad and me isn't even an option. Bad is even better than me because I suck. And exactly.
You actually. Yeah.
So now I'm going to go to the party, not the party place, the fun hangout. So see you guys when I'm there. I'm here at the Lilipop fan hangout. So this is what's going to happen. You're going to spawn in the screen checkpoint. And then there's going to be a broken body saying, welcome to the Lilipop fan hangout. So you guys can either just sit on these chairs. And then there's some cakes here. Red velvet cakes on tables. There's some kitty chairs. And there's also a giant ice cream cone. You can try and climb it if you like this. And there's lights. There's rainbow fog. And there's a disco dance floor. And yeah, and there's also, there's Alex.
Hi.
Hello, Alex. And I'll show you guys something else in here, which is really cool.
Not really popular. Lily, Kate, and Alex only allowed in this mansion.
So this is the VIP section, basically. So only me, Alex, and Kate, which you guys haven't met yet, are allowed in here. And basically, it's just a mansion. Here's a pool. You can sit down, and you also.
And also, if you also try and enter inside here, you'll get banned from this game.
And you get pizza, and the door opens, and then it's basically like, here's the kitchen.
There's a baby room.
Cool. There's a little baby room. So if you guys want to be babies, and we could do role play in here if you like. Here's just like a little room. Here's a room for like baby twins. Let me find somewhere else. So that was the kitchen. Here is like just a relaxing area.
Oh my gosh, you can jump out through the window.
There's the master bedroom. There's the master bathroom.
Come out there.
And then there's a balcony, which is really cool. And then I can come from here. And it's really cool because you just get to do this. And yeah. So thanks guys for watching. And Lilipop